My name's Mike, and along with my wife Loretta and our cat Mink, we live on this boat, sailing vessel Luxor. I've got over 4,000 miles on Luxor this year. As a licensed captain, I also transport boats for their owners. So if you're looking for a channel about sailing cool boats in different locations, this may be the channel for you. But you'll never know unless you take that plunge to subscribe, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for giving another small channel a chance to survive. It's appreciated. Now let's do something cool together. Let's do this. Hey guys, hope all is well. So today is getaway day. We are leaving West Palm, headed south. Final destination is the Dry Tortugas. This should be cool. We're looking forward to a nice sail, a couple of days out in the ocean, and we'd like you to come with us. So check it out. We've got a couple of things we need to do before we take off, and we'll do that right now. And then we'll get this party started. Let's do it. First thing I want to do is check all the fluids in the engine compartment. Make sure everything's good there. Before I get into that, check this out. We've got a filefish that is just huge underneath the boat. Check this out. Let me show you this first, and then we'll get back to work.
Putting out there for them to come back and say, okay. And it's just amazing what you find under the boat from one day to the next. It's really something else. That's one of the reasons why we love this place and have been reluctant to leave, because it seems like there's something new under the water just about every day. But anyway, let's get back to work. We're setting sail today. This is the brand new engine. So we'll see what this looks like. That's pretty good. Could use a little bit, maybe. Antifreeze is good. Check the sea strainers. We got some company in there, huh? Got a couple of crabs in there. Let's clean that out. There we go. I would rather sail at 2 knots then motor at 7. But these engines are here, so we might as well get them ready just in case we need them. Coolant level at the engine. Make sure that's to the top, and it is. That's good. Battery connections look good. Check the fluid in the sail drive right here. Let's see what that looks like. Make sure that that's full. That's pretty good. Okay. This engine is ready to go. Engine number 2. Starboard side. Let's get that steering column out of the way. Engine number 2. Looks like it needs a little coolant already. So I'll grab that before I even head in there. That's good cleaning.
for watching Sailing Vessel Luxor. Please subscribe and click the bell so you'll be made aware when a new episode comes out. We'll see you out on the water.